Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the course of WordPress web development, and in this class we will see this setting step in which we will see how to change the setting of our website and all. So basically this is the name of our website, which is aestheticdebonair.com, and this is the tagline. Okay, so if I'm just going over here, I don't know how to show you all guys that. Okay, so this is the tagline of our website, which will come over here. Okay, so it basically tells about our website, what kind of website we are building. So I will say this is web development. Okay, and this is our website address and this is our site address. So this is all about which tells about our website. And next what we have is administration email address. Okay, so currently I'm the administrator, so because of which I'm my website is shown over here. And if you want to add membership, then you can just click on this, so then anyone could register for your website. Okay, and new user, by default whenever any user will be added to your website, that person will be added to the database as a subscriber. Okay, you can say customer or shop manager, editor, author, you can give them these permissions. Okay, and this is our, and one more thing guys, never set this option as administrator. Okay, so when you say set this option as administrator, any person who is enrolling to your website could work as administrator and can make any changes to your website. So these are few things which you have to keep in mind. And this is the time zone. Let's just keep it that way only. And this is how, this is the date format, how date will be shown on our website. Okay, so if you want to show the date in this format, you can change this to click over here, but I would like to keep it this way only. This is the time format. And whenever you make any changes to any tab, just click on this save changes. And once your changes get saved, you just have to come and refresh in order to see whether the changes have been propagated to your website or not. Okay, so this is the subtitle which was changed by us, the tagline, and which has been propagated over here. Okay, so this is all about the general rules. And the next what we have is a writing. Okay, so whenever you write any post, so basically in order to write a post, you have to just go to this tab, and you have to say add new, and add a post. By default, whenever any post will be published, by default it will have the category as uncategorized. And currently there are two categories, which is coach and uncategorized. If you want, you can create multiple categories. I will show you how to do that. And default page format will be standard. You can just choose whatever format you want. And these are some other details of our website, but as of now we won't be touching this. Next is reading section. Okay, so whenever anyone will be opening your website, your home page will be displayed. Okay, so we will say it's a static page, and first page which we want to show is our home page. If you want, you can change it to something else also, but let's just keep it home page only. And if you want to show the post page, then you can just select this post page. Okay, so whenever any user will be coming to this address, whatever that is selected by you, if suppose I'm saying contact, let's just see. If suppose now I'm coming over here and refreshing, contact page is shown. Okay, so all those options could be manipulated by you from this place. So let me just directly divert the person to the home page. And blog page is shown, at most will be 10 post. If you want, you can just increase or decrease the size. And syndication feed shown, the most recent will be 10 items. So there are some of the other options present over here, which you can just change if you want. And next is the discussion section. So default post settings, so these are some of the default post settings, like allow the people to submit the comments on the new post. Some people don't want the comments on their post, so they prefer to disable this. Allow the link notification, attempt to notify any blog links to from the post, etc, etc. Okay, so these are some of the options. And these are the comment setting. Comment author must fill out the names and the emails. So basically whenever commenting on your post, if you want to collect their name and the email, enable this option. Then these are some of the other options which you can just go and read. And next is a media section. So over here you can just select the thumbnail and all. Okay, so thumbnail is basically, if you are going to the YouTube and all, let me just take you to the YouTube. this image what you see on this video, this is not the thumbnail. Okay, so this is the thumbnail of this video, this is the thumbnail of this video. Okay, so this is how this thumbnail thing is working. This basically specifies the width of the thumbnail, and this basically tells the height of the thumbnail, and this is the media size, then the large size, etc, etc. If you want, you can change them. Okay, so whenever you write post and all, post by default have some image which is known as the featured image, and these are the dimensions of that image. Okay, so you can change those details from here. And the next what we have is permalinks. So permalinks is basically when you write a post and all, how you want your post to be displayed. Okay, so if I'm just going over here, as of now I don't think we are having any post. Okay, so I'm having this one post which is the hello world, and currently that post looks something like this. Okay, so it is saying name of my website /index.php, then it is throwing the date, then the name of the post. Okay, so this is the permalink of this post. If you want, you can just change it. Okay, currently that post is in this format, but if suppose I want to display the name of the post after my website link, then I can just I would select this option. This is the best option. Now suppose I am selecting and saving this, and let me just refresh this. Now this will change. Okay, okay, so now as can be seen, now format has changed. It is showing the date and the post name. Okay, so this is how you can implement the changes. And next is a privacy section. Okay, so whenever we publish our blog or publish our website, it should have the privacy policies. Okay, so this is the section for the privacy policies. You can just use the privacy policy. This is already privacy policy page present over here, or you can create your very own privacy policy page and upload it over here. Okay, so privacy policy is must. So whenever you create a blog, your blog should have a home page, about us page, contact us page, privacy page. So these are some of the pages which are necessary, important, and should have. Okay, so just make note of these things. You can either use this privacy page or you can create your own. So this was all about the setting steps. Thanks for watching.